Once upon a time, in a small town nestled at the edge of a lush forest, there lived a mischievous young boy named Oliver. Oliver had a boundless energy and an insatiable thirst for adventure, and his faithful companion, a playful and spirited dog named Max, was always by his side. On a sunny morning, Oliver woke up with an idea brewing in his mischievous mind. He wanted to create a treasure hunt for Max, hiding treats and toys throughout the town, hoping to see his furry friend's excitement. But little did Oliver know that this playful game would take an unexpected turn. With a mischievous glint in his eyes, Oliver unleashed his plan. He dashed around the house, finding various hiding spots for the treasures, while Max watched with curiosity, wagging his tail in anticipation. Finally, with a devious grin, Oliver signaled for Max to begin the search. Bounding with joy, Max darted off, sniffing the air and scanning every corner. Oliver followed closely behind, relishing the excitement of the chase. However, as they ventured farther into the town, Oliver lost sight of Max. Panic crept into his heart as he frantically called out his loyal companion's name, but there was no response. Feeling a deep sense of guilt, Oliver's heart sank. He had let his mischievousness get the best of him, and now Max was lost. Tears welled up in his eyes as he desperately searched every nook and cranny, but Max remained nowhere to be found. Just as Oliver was about to lose hope, a soft voice whispered on the wind. "Are you in need of assistance, young boy?" Oliver turned around to find a mysterious figure standing before him. It was a magical character dressed in shimmering robes, with sparkling eyes that held secrets untold. Oliver's eyes widened with a mix of awe and desperation. "Please, help me find Max," he pleaded, his voice trembling. The magical character smiled gently and extended a hand. "I can help you, but first, you must prove yourself. I will present you with a series of puzzles, and if you solve them, I will guide you to your faithful friend." Oliver's heart pounded with excitement and determination. He accepted the magical character's challenge, ready to do whatever it took to reunite with Max. The magical character conjured up a set of intricate puzzles, each one more perplexing than the last. Hours turned into days as Oliver racked his brain, attempting to decipher the mysterious puzzles. But despite his efforts, he could not crack the codes. With each failed attempt, the magical character's patience waned, and Oliver could sense the growing disappointment. Frustrated and exhausted, Oliver felt the weight of his mistakes. The magical character's face grew stern, and she levied her judgment. "For your disobedience and failure, you shall face the consequences of your actions." In a flash of light, the magical character cast a spell, and Oliver found himself bound by invisible chains. Oliver's heart sank as he realized the magnitude of his actions. His eyes welled up with tears as he gazed at the world around him, now stripped of its vibrancy and wonder. He was imprisoned within the very forest that he and Max had once explored with joy and curiosity. Days turned into weeks, and Oliver remained trapped, isolated from the world he once knew. The forest, once a place of adventure and discovery, now served as a constant reminder of his mistakes. The mischievous boy had learned a harsh lesson, one that weighed heavily on his young shoulders. As the days passed, Oliver's determination to make amends grew stronger. He yearned to be reunited with Max and vowed to prove himself tough magical character. With newfound resilience, Oliver studied the puzzles once more, determined to solve them and earn his freedom. Late one evening, as the moon illuminated the forest with a soft glow, Oliver had a breakthrough. A puzzle that had seemed unsolvable suddenly unraveled before his eyes. He couldn't contain his excitement as he shouted the answer, hoping the magical character would hear him. The moment the answer left Oliver's lips, the invisible chains binding him shattered, freeing him from his captivity. He stumbled out of the forest, gasping for air, feeling the weight of his confinement lift from his shoulders. And there, standing before him, was the magical character, her face softened with a mix of surprise and admiration. "You have proven yourself, young Oliver," she said, her voice tinged with approval. "Your determination and growth have shown me that you have learned from your mistakes." Oliver's heart swelled with gratitude. "Thank you," he whispered, his voice filled with genuine sincerity. "But please, can you help me find Max? I can't bear to be without him any longer." The magical character smiled warmly, reaching out her hand once more. "Follow me," she said, her voice filled with reassurance. Together, Oliver and the magical character embarked on a journey deep into the heart of the forest, navigating through dense undergrowth and over moss-covered rocks. Oliver's heart beat faster with every step, the anticipation of reuniting with Max overwhelming him. Finally, they reached a clearing bathed in a soft, golden light. And there, in the center of the clearing, sat Max, his tail wagging furiously as he caught sight of Oliver. With a joyous cry, Oliver rushed forward, scooping Max into his arms. The two friends held each other tightly, their bond stronger than ever before. Tears of relief streamed down Oliver's face as he thanked the magical character for her guidance and assistance. With a gentle smile, she nodded, her task fulfilled. From that day forward, Oliver embraced a newfound sense of responsibility. He no longer sought mischief for the sake of entertainment, realizing the consequences of his actions. Instead, he dedicated himself to nurturing the bond between him and Max, channeling his energy into constructive adventures and playful activities that strengthened their friendship. The town that had once known Oliver as a mischievous boy witnessed a transformation in him. His misdeeds were replaced with acts of kindness and compassion, as he volunteered at the local animal shelter and helped neighbors with their chores. Oliver and Max became beacons of friendship and loyalty, spreading joy wherever they went. And although they occasionally faced challenges, they always approached them with the lessons they had learned, emerging stronger and closer than ever before. As time passed, the magical character's visit became a distant memory, but the lessons she imparted remained etched in Oliver's heart. He knew that true growth came from acknowledging his mistakes, learning from them, and striving to be better every day. And so, Oliver's tale serves as a reminder to all that the road to redemption is paved with challenges, but with determination, humility, and a willingness to change, even the naughtiest of boys can transform into the noblest of heroes.